The 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 continues to elevate its reputation as one of the most iconic and dependable full-size pickup trucks on the market. Engineered for both rugged strength and modern comfort, this versatile truck is designed to meet the demands of a diverse range of drivers, whether you're seeking a powerful workhorse or a smooth, capable daily driver. Performance and Powertrains. 2024 Silverado 1500 offers a lineup of powertrain options tailored to your performance needs. The base model features a 2.7-liter turbo high-output four-cylinder engine, delivering a hefty 310 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, more than enough for daily tasks and light towing. For those craving more muscle, the 5.3-liter V8 packs 355 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque, while the 6.2-liter V8 boasts an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. For those focused on efficiency without sacrificing power, the 3.0-liter Duramax Turbo-Diesel inline-six delivers 305 horsepower and a robust 495 lb-ft of torque, making it a top choice for long hauls and heavy-duty towing. Exterior and design. The 2024 Silverado 1500 stands out with its bold and functional design, featuring a muscular front grille, sculpted lines, and an aerodynamic profile. With multiple trim levels, including the work truck, custom, LT, RST, LTZ, and high country, each offers distinct features and style. For off-road enthusiasts, the ZR2 trim comes equipped with Multimatic DSSV dampers, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it the ultimate choice for conquering challenging terrains. Interior and technology. Step inside the Silverado 1500 and you'll find a spacious, well-crafted cabin packed with advanced technology. Available in regular cab, double cab, or crew cab configurations, there's plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The 2024 model introduces an upgraded interior, offering available leather upholstery, a large infotainment screen, and a digital instrument cluster. The Chevrolet infotainment system keeps you connected with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and an optional Bose premium audio system, ensuring an enjoyable ride for everyone. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 Silverado 1500 with a robust suite of standard and available driver assistance features. Standard offerings include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims bring additional peace of mind with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system, capability, and utility. The 2024 Silverado 1500 excels in utility, boasting a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,300 pounds when properly equipped, making it one of the most capable trucks in its class. The truck bed is built for durability and versatility, featuring the innovative Multiflex tailgate with 6 different configurations for easier loading and unloading, as well as available power outlets for added convenience. Conclusion. In summary, the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a well-rounded full-size pickup that offers a powerful combination of performance, capability, and modern technology. Whether you need a dependable work truck, a family-friendly hauler, or an off-road explorer, the Silverado 1500 is equipped to handle it all, making it a top contender for drivers in 2024.